Happy Monday, beautiful people! Happy Monday, everyone! Medyo maano yata, hindi stable ang aking internet. Oh my God. If I lost you guys, I did not kick you out, okay? Maybe ang aking internet lang. It's beautiful Monday here in Ontario, Canada. It's 12:07 p.m. na po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. I hope your day is amazing. You are happy, you are healthy, you are enjoying life. Diba? We only have today, so dapat enjoy talaga natin. Right? Beautiful beautiful day dito sa Ontario, Canada. Super ganda ng panahon. Medyo malamig pa rin, but it's really nice. Sunny. Yeah, so anyhow, it's Tita po. And connecting with you again. Yeah. So yes, shout out muna sa aking mga tagahanga diyan. Maraming salamat for continuously supporting me. Para ako nangangampanya. Mapabago man kayo or mapalumang followers, I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. So yeah, so anyhow, connecting again, and I know na nasa business page yata ako today. Yes. Because the last time na nag-live ako nandun ako sa aking personal page. Oh my God, I think ang aking balikat, oh my God, I just finished teaching my aqua fitness, and oh my God, it was a blast. And parang tawag nun? Parang napasubra yata. Super exciting talaga, grabe. Medyo basa pa yung buhok ko. Ligo ako ng pawis after. Yeah, so anyhow, most of you guys na nagpa-follow sa akin, most of you know na every time na mag-live ako, meron akong topic na gusto ko na i-share sa inyo, gusto ko na tawag nun na talagang malaman nyo rin. Yeah. So most of you of course know na meron akong online business na gino-grow ko in social media platform. Kaya ako nagla-live, nagpo-post because I wanted to share this amazing business opportunity sa lahat ng gusto na mabago ang buhay, because I can tell you guys, it's not only all about working hard, it's about working smarter. I learned it the hard way. I learned it the hard way. So nilagay ko po diyan sa aking caption today. What would you like for your kids to remember about you? Diba? Because sabi nga nila, hindi lahat ng of course we work hard para sa ating mga anak, we work hard for our family so we can provide to them, right? But at the end of the day, provision is one thing. However, time with them, Zinaida, thank you for watching. Time with them is also another thing. It's very important talaga. Especially if our kids is nasa growing stage pa lang sila. Yes, talagang tawag nun? I am grateful na kahit saang stage na tayo, pwede nating baguhin yung sitwasyon natin. Because for me, I was away sa aking anak then for a long time, because of course walang tawag nun, my son has disability and I cannot afford to send him to private school, special school in the Philippines kung nandoon lang ako. So it was not my choice talaga na iwanan ko siya, but it was a mandate for me. So there's the difference with that, and I am grateful for my family for looking after my son kahit wala ako doon. So now na nandito na yung anak ko sa Canada, magkasama na kami, I have to do something. Because nung dumating kasi siya dito, wala kaming time para sa amin talaga na mag-bonding kami. It's because I was working too much. And I was working on the weekends, and by the time I'm off, nandun siya sa kanyang day program. So walang schedule na mag-meet ka na para ma-enjoy namin yung isa't isa, magawa namin yung gusto namin gawin. Parang ganun ba? So I knew that I have to do something to change that. So that's why ang sinasabi ko diyan, yun talaga. Kasi gusto ko na maramdaman niya na I'm not just there to provide for him. I want him to remember na andoon ako pag kailangan niya ako, nandoon ako sa mga activities niya, naandoon ako pag, so, and of course, it's never perfect. Like, wala talagang perfecto na tao. We do our best. However, kalimitan kasi na naririnig ko is, 2 million viewers, thank you. And kalimitan kasi na nangyayari is, parang yung ano natin, yung pinofocus natin is just to provide for them financially. Kaya tayo, we work hard, doing multiple jobs, longer hours, But the most important thing, yung bonding, yung time together, yun ang nakakalimutan natin. Ilang mami na ba ang nakakausap ko na parang yung bang tawag nun, nawawala yung bonding nila for their family, for their kids. It's because they are working long hours. So talagang doon ako nang galing, right? Because I knew na nung dumating kasi ang anak ko dito, of course I'm grateful talaga na meron akong oportunidad na talagang tawag nun, may full-time job ako, maganda, okay naman yung kita ko, parang ganun ba, and then naipasok ko rin ang anak ko sa work ko, parang ganun ba. So I am grateful talaga na I am surrounded with great people na ready to help me. So I am grateful. And pero yun na nga, every single weekend, kung hindi siya, nung nag-work siya doon sa work ko, kung hindi siya, after ng work niya, yun ang start ng shift ko. So what happened was, na andun lang siya sa nandun siya sa opisina ko, naghihintay sa akin, puro nasa iPad niya, yung bang ganun. So hindi yun ang gusto ko na mangyari. Hindi yun ang gusto ko mangyari. I wanted to have connection. I wanted to have, because I na-lost ko yung opportunity ko na andun ako habang he was growing up. Right? So na-lost ko yun. So I wanted to have more time. So that's why yun ang nagtulak sa akin na para ako maghanap ng ibang ways talaga na pwede akong kumita, and I knew that I needed to do something online. So I'm grateful na dito ako napunta sa business community na ginagawa ko ngayon. So which is yan, kaya lagi ako nagsishare sa inyo guys, because yes, this has helped me a lot. It's not only because of it's not only about financing. It has helped me to grow myself, my personality, my mindset, my perspective, ang dami. So, kaya talagang lagi akong excited na i-share sa inyo guys, because yes, I feel it inside. I'm more excited, na ando na yung at ease ako, na I know that I am building something for our future. You know what I mean? So yeah, so yan ang gusto ko na i-share sa inyo. Just like today, first day ng kanilang golf season again. So yes, pauwi pa lang ako, but I will be with him later for his the first day of golf season nila. So yung bang ganun, andun yung bang gusto ko na ma-feel niya na he is supported. Gusto ko na ma-feel niya yun, na hindi lang ako nagpo-provide sa kanya financially. I am providing renew. Thank you. I am providing time. I am giving my time as well for him. Gusto ko na ma-feel niya. Right? So, ang dami. So, I know, ang dami ko nakakausap. I'm super busy. Yes. Ganon din ako, because, ang dami kong gusto ko na talagang every one of us are busy, but I wanted to have, I don't want to pick up more shifts, just like today sa work ko, right? I'm doing part-time, nasa ayan, I'm back. Thank you. Yeah, so anyway, just like today, may offer ako sa aking work, more shifts. No, I don't want to pick up more shifts because you know why? Mawawala yung time na gusto ko. I wanted Christopher. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone for tuning in with me. Thank you. Yeah, mawawala yung I don't wanna pick up more shifts because it will take more time away from my family, especially for my son. I wanted to build more of my business because I know nobody will benefit this than myself, my son, and my family. Right? So that is where I'm coming from. That's why I'm always sharing this one with you guys because it doesn't matter how slow it is. I know that I am building something for myself rather than doing nothing and always work for other people because you know what happened? Those are yes, andyan, lalaki, tawag nun, kikita ka ng extra. Of course, kikita ng extra. But you know what? Anong kapalit doon? Time mo para sa sarili mo, time mo para sa anak mo. 'Di ba? So, yan ang ano ko. That is where I'm coming from. So that's why I would rather build something for myself than picking up more shifts. So yeah, so sabi ko sa manager ko, my manager knew it anyway. So sabi ko sa kanya, no, I am not going to pick up more shifts because I wanted to have more time and weekends. I don't want to work on the weekends. All I want to do is teach my fitness class, and other than that, it's family time. It's about time that I'm going to change that because I have been working weekends. That was my longest hours when I was in the resort, and it's about time for me to change that because nothing will change, guys. Nothing will change if we don't do anything, if we don't do something, right? Nothing will change for us. That is the sad reality. And yeah, so yeah, katulad ngayon, gusto ko na pag-uwi ko, then yes, I will work tonight. I have work tonight. I don't work tomorrow. I have work tonight, and but I'm good, right? So ano lang ako, pagdating ko sa bahay, nap lang, and then when I wake up, then I go to his golf, and then tomorrow wala akong pasok, and then I am supporting him because we have meeting with his support groups. You know what I mean? I'm busy with my fitness classes, busy with my work, busy with my business, busy supporting my son. I have my husband, of course. So a lot. There's tons of things that are happening. I am doing growing my business not because I have extra time, but I have learned to manage the time that I have, so I can give time to build myself, so I can show up and share this business opportunity for you guys. So yan lang ang gusto ko na i-share sa inyo. So circle back doon sa aking topic. What would you like for your kids to remember you? Is it just about providing them or providing them with love and time as well? So I will leave you with that. Think about it. Let it sink in. Let it sink in kung ano talaga ang gusto nyo. And yeah, so anyhow, if you are someone who is looking to earn extra without trading time for your family, for your kids, then maybe ito yung sign nyo. Kaya kayo nanonood sa akin, kaya nyo kiniklik yung aking ad, or kaya kayo binibisita nyo yung aking business page. Right? So, Jogi, thank you for watching. So, my website is in my business page. All you have to do, sign up with your name and email address. The webinar is free. So that is webinar will just give you the basic information about the business, but at least you have the basic, okay? If you need more clarity, feel free to after you have watched the webinar, if you need more clarity, feel free to message me. I'll be more than happy to talk to you one-on-one once you have watched the webinar, okay? Yeah, so anyhow, I hope that I have inspired you guys. I hope I have opened something for you to think about, right? I hope na-inspire kayo doon sa sinasabi ko. But anyhow, thank you again for tuning in. Thank you for those people that are going to watch the replay. Maraming salamat. And yeah, so enjoy the rest of your Monday. It's beautiful day here, and saan man kayo sa mundo. So take care, everyone. God bless you all, and I will connect with you again later. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, everyone. God bless.